Hey guys, welcome back this week for some more cleaning inspiration. I'm Toria, and if you're new here, welcome. I create videos for cleaning motivation and will soon be branching off into other things, such as decor, cooking, and lifestyle. Today the big to-do project will be my fridge, but firstly I'm just going to start by getting my kitchen sorted out. So let's get things going. And if you enjoy my video today, I would love if you could hit the subscribe button and bell notification so you never miss an upload. It really helps us YouTubers out and it is completely free to you. So let's just get right into this. So it's quite apparent that I need to get my cupboard doors wiped off here, so stay tuned in another video for that. There's something so satisfying about cleaning a sink after you've done the dishes. It just kind of relaxes me and makes me feel like everything's finally finished and done with the dishes. So let's just hurry up here and get this sink sexy. So this is probably my worst habit, is wiping the counters and dumping all the crumbs and everything on the floor. My mom always told me when I was younger that I shouldn't do this because it would make my floors dirty. But I guess I'm just a creature of habit, so this is how I do it.
about to leave. Already packing, come with me.
So I'm just applying Surma Bright. It's a cooktop glass cleaner that I really like. It really helps get all the like stuck on tough cruddy stuff off the top of my cooktop. This is a really satisfying part, so I'll just let you guys sit back and watch me go to work.
We'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go.
So you'll see at the top of my oven there where it's kind of yellow. I was doing a self-clean on my oven kind of a few weeks ago, and I don't think the door latched properly, and so now I kind of have this like yellow burn mark on it. If anyone has any ideas on how I can fix this problem, let me know, because at this point I think it's just how it's gonna be. So this is the state of my fridge right now. It is an absolute mess. So I'm just gonna tackle this, and we're gonna take out all the drawers, clean out all the drawers, and wipe everything down, and then I'll start putting everything back in it.
This is what we waited for.
So I hope you guys have been enjoying my videos. If there's anything that you guys want to see me do in for any cleaning motivation that you guys need, just leave a comment in the comments down below, and I'll try to pump out some awesome content if you guys need any inspiration on tackling any certain things around your home. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification to be updated with all my videos to come. So I'm just going to use my Miss Meyer's all-purpose spray to clean out my fridge. I really like this product. It's more of a natural product that really gets all tough stains off of your counter surfaces, and it really likes the scent of it. It's lemon verbena. So if you guys are interested in this, I'll have a description down below, and you can click on the link and it'll take you to my Amazon page where you can purchase it. Just a disclaimer, I do make a commission off of it, but in no way does it cost you anything else. So yes, on this drawer I'm putting in, you'll see that I've got these little rulers glued to the drawer because my son somehow seemed to crack the drawer with my door, so now I had to fix that. So here I'm putting away my White Claws. Have you guys tried these? I am obsessed. White Claws for the win. So now I'm just going to tackle this door. We'll get all these products out and we'll check for expiration dates and whether I still need it or if it's almost empty. And we'll just start cleaning the door, and then I will put everything back in and get it all nice and organized. So with this product by Method, Steel for Real, it's important that you spray the product onto the cloth and then wipe off the fridge to get all the cleaning done and remove all the fingerprints. And then afterwards, you're going to see me walk out of the room to go grab another dry cloth. And with that cloth, I'll just kind of rub it and polish it up, making sure that you follow the grain of the steel. So thank you for staying all the way to the end of the video, and we'll see you next week for my new video. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell notification, and we'll see you next week.